Suspected Gilgo Beach serial killer Rex Heuermann back in court today. The judge in the case deciding whether to admit certain DNA evidence, hairs recovered from 6 victims, and the judge also deciding whether the charges Heuermann faces are broken up into separate trials. Here's Long Island reporter Chanteé Lans with today's developments.
Accused Gilgo Beach serial killer Rex Heuermann enters Suffolk County Criminal Court, standing stern beside his attorney Michael Brown, as the defense and prosecutors discuss a start date for a Fry hearing to debate which DNA evidence should be admissible in his murder trial, tied to the deaths of 7 women, mostly sex workers, spanning from 1993 to 2011. Heuermann's attorneys want the judge to throw out nuclear DNA results obtained from hairs recovered from 6 victims. The DNA match came from a technique called whole genome sequencing, which has never been used in New York State courts.
The DNA is so important to this case because you have to remember that's really what the prosecutor is hanging their hat on.
Suffolk County District Attorney Ray Tierney is confident the nuclear DNA evidence will be admissible at trial.
When it's brand new in a particular area of forensics, that's not the standard. The standard is the Fry standard. So we'll answer the Fry standard. All the rest is noise.
Aside from DNA, prosecutors are also relying on evidence recovered from some of the 350 electronic devices, many seized from Heuermann's Massapequa Park home. Prosecutors say the online collection includes images of mutilation and tying up women with ropes they say are consistent with injuries inflicted on one of the women killed, Valerie Mack, and how she was bound. The defense is calling it a reach.
There is not one shred of biological or forensic evidence that's in his basement. Not one.
Heuermann's attorney, Michael Brown, also filed a motion to sever the 7 cases. Brown wants to try the first 3 of the 7 charged killings separately from the others. The defense wants to try the remaining 4 individually.
The theory of our case is this defendant is a serial killer who meticulously and methodically hunted down and murdered 7 women. That is our case.
Rex Heuermann is due back in court on March 12th. That's when the judge says he wants to set a date for the hearing on the DNA evidence. In Riverhead, Chanteé Lans, Channel 7, Eyewitness News.